Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss about four types of noun in detail. So the fourth one type of noun is, you can see, compound noun, and the definition is also given below. That is, a compound noun is a noun made by joining two or more words to form one name. It's basically a combination of two or more words to create one word, to create a compound noun. Like in Urdu, if we understand it, means के दो लफ्ज़ों को आपस में मिलाना, दो नाउन्स को आपस में मिलाना, दो या दो से ज़्यादा को आपस में मिलाकर एक कंप्लीट वर्ड जो है वो बनाना. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, माई टूथ ब्रश इज़ न्यू. ऑल राइट. So in this word you can see tooth is one noun and brush is another one noun. Alright, and when we combine both noun it becomes compound noun. Alright, now look at the second sentence. She bought a notebook. So here again you can see two noun, note and book, and when we combine both of them it becomes compound noun. Now look at the third sentence, that is, the football is on the ground. So here foot and ball both are the words and both are the compound nouns, like both are the nouns, and when we combine both of them it becomes a compound noun, like foot and ball. Fourth one sentence is, we waited at the bus stop. Again we are joining both words, both noun, and it becomes a compound noun, like bus stop, bus stop. It becomes a complete word, bus stop. So compound noun is basically a concept of joining two words. Alright, it means combining two words together to form one new word. Now come to the next topic, the another type of noun, that is material noun. Material noun is also very simple. As you can see the definition, a material noun is the name of a substance or material from which things are made. It means any substance, any material by which we make different things. For example, this ring is made of gold. Alright, so here in this sentence you can see one material, alright, that is gold. It means by gold we can make different things. For example, jewelry, necklace, ring, bracelets, and many more. So gold is basically using for creating another things, like another materials, another necklaces. So material noun is basically a thing by which we can create another thing. Next is, the table is made of wood. Wood is again a material noun here. The bottle is filled with water. Water is again a material noun. And the fourth one, the last one sentence of material noun is again, the shirt is made of cotton. Cotton is again a material noun. Like by the help of cotton we can also make different things. Now come to the next type of noun, that is countable noun. Countable noun is very simple, because anything that we can count, it's a countable noun. Of course you can see the definition. A countable noun is a noun that can be counted. For example, I have two books. Here you can count the books, like two books, three books, four books. You can easily count the books. And second sentence is, she bought 3 apples. Alright, so here apples are again the things, a fruit. Of course we can easily count it. Next is, there are 5 chairs in the room. Alright, 5 chairs. We can also count the chairs. Of course it's touchable, it's tangible. And we saw many birds. Birds is again, we can easily count at the sky, like whatever is flying in the sky we can easily count. So this is again a very easy topic. Now come to the next topic, a next type of noun, that is uncountable noun. Alright, uncountable noun is totally opposite of the countable noun, and it's very simple. So now start reading the definition. An uncountable noun is a noun that cannot be counted individually. Like you cannot count it, आप इसे count नहीं कर सकते अलग अलग. For example, please give me some water. Alright, you can't count a water in a numerical form like 1 2 3 करके आप पानी को नहीं गिन सकते. जबकि ऊपर काउंटेबल नाउन में चेयर और बर्ड्स, इस टाइप की चीज़ें यू कैन ईजिली काउंट, बट वाटर, मिल्क, एनी लिक्विड थिंग यू कांट काउंट. So the milk is fresh. Milk is again uncountable, of course. She needs more information. Okay, information is basically an abstract noun. ठीक है, ये हमने अपनी फर्स्ट क्लास में भी डिस्कस किया था एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन के बारे में. लाइक जिसे आप फील कर सकते हैं, टच नहीं कर सकते. ऑल राइट, इट्स अगेन अनकाउंटेबल. Now look at the fourth one sentence. We have enough rice, like a grains of rice. You cannot count a grains of rice one by one. So this is again uncountable. So countable and uncountable are very simple. In countable we only know about like how many there are the things. Like उन्हें हम count कर सकते हैं, but uncountable में we cannot count. So I hope you all understand all kinds of noun, all types of noun easily. And now we are going to end this lecture, and I hope you understand the concept. Or if you really find this video helpful, guys, so please make sure to press the bell icon so you can never miss our next English classes. And thank you very much for watching. Take care and Allah Hafiz.